Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Quotex account login not working problem. So let's get started. So if you're trying to log into your Quotex account and it's not working, the first thing you need to do is check your login details. You want to make sure you've entered the correct email address and password, because a small typo could be the reason you can't sign in. Then you want to double check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from connecting to its servers. So try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile device or mobile data or vice versa to see if that helps. But if you're still having issues, the next step is to clear the app cache and data. To do this, just go go out of the app, and then you want to head over to settings. You want to scroll down until you find the apps section. Then from here, you can either scroll down or just search for the app. All right, there we go. Click on this. Then from here, you can try to force stop this first, then try to log in and see if that fixes the problem. But if not, just go ahead over back to this page and then click on storage. Then you want to hit clear data and clear cache. Now this refreshes the app and removes any corrupted files that might be causing login problems. And if none of these steps fixes the issue, your best move is to contact Quotex support through their official website or app. Just let them know what's happening, share your account info, and mention the steps you've already tried. They'll guide you through the next steps. And that's it. That's how you fix a Quotex login not working problem. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.